Hi everyone, my name is Sonia. I'm from Gurgaon, Haryana, and I am a professional IELTS trainer. I teach IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, spoken English, verbal in bank and CBSE English. I have completed my B.Tech in Computer Science branch in 2014 from ITM Gwalior, and I've got certificates like ESOL. I have got overall 8 bands in IELTS with perfect 9 score in reading, and my students are also getting 9 bands in speaking, writing, listening as well as in reading. I have over 3 years of experience in online as well as offline teaching, and I've taught more than 1,000 students till date. My students are from India, Canada, US, Dubai and Australia, and they are getting, as I already told you, 9 bands in reading, listening as well as in speaking. I have a YouTube channel where I have uploaded some of my demo classes. You can definitely find the link to my YouTube channel on my profile. I believe in result-oriented approach, and I encourage smart work instead of hard work. I provide notes and all the study material in the digital form. I provide recorded sessions of classes. I also conduct one-on-one speaking session from Monday to Friday. That would be like a 10 to 12 minutes one-on-one speaking wherein a student needs to call me and I'll be gauging them. My classes also includes mock tests on Saturdays. I use digital media for a lot of learning new developments in field of my teaching. I attend webinars and seminars, interact with other teachers and professionals from across the world. And I'm well versed with all the digital tools like PenTab and streaming tools like OBS. I am now the part of Sulekha's eLearn, and Sulekha's eLearn offers you personalized coaching from India's top tutors who are experts in the field and understand your needs, both academically and knowledge-wise. The sessions are conducted using advanced tools and technology which aid in better, relevant and easy learning. So I'm looking forward for all of you students to join my course so that you can get your required bands in one go. Then have a great day and keep learning. Bye-bye.